This is a great family vehicle. Great for those cold snow days. Save yourself the headache of trying to dig yourself out of the snow. It is an extremely clean vehicle. The all-wheel drive on these vehicles are great.